Jai Hind students of class 7, good morning to all of you. I am teaching about exercise 2C. First question is question number 1. Write down the reciprocal of 5/8. Reciprocal of any number is the reverse of the number, that is reciprocal of 5/8 is 8/5, right? Question number 2, simplify. Second question, 7/10 divided by 3/5. For the division of fraction, it is necessary to know about the reciprocal. That is 7/10 divided into 10 into, and we should write the reciprocal of 3/5. That is 5/3. 5 into 5, 5 into 10, 7 into 7, and 2 3 is 6. It is the answer of this question. Question number 3. Third question. 5 and 5/9. 5 and 5/9 divided by 3 and 1/3. First of all, we should change the number into improper fraction. That is 9 5 are 45 and 5 50/9 divided by 3 3 is 9 10/3.
Yes sir.
And it's equal to 50/9 into the reciprocal of 10/3, 3/10. 10 5 are 50 and 3 1 are 3 3 3 are 9. Its answer is 5/5/3. Question number 5. 18 boxes of nails weight equal and their total weight is 49 and 1/2 kg. How much does each box weight? Weight of each box. Total boxes. Total number of boxes equal to 18 and total weight of nails. Total weight of nails equal to 49 and 1/2 kg. Weight of each box. Weight of each box equal to 49 and 1/2 divided by 18. 49 into 90 and 199 upon 2, and 18 will be changed into 18/1 into 1/18. 9 to 18. Now 9 to 18 and 9 11 99. That is 11 into 12 11 and 2 to the 4. 11/4 kg, and it's equal to 4 to the 8, 3/4 kg. Each box weighs 2 and 3/4 kg. Clear it? Question number 9. We bought 8 and 1/2 kg of sugar for rupees 242 and 1/4. Find the price of per kg. Total weight of sugar. Total weight of sugar equal to 8 and 1/2 kg. Cost of sugar equal to rupees 242 and 1/4. Therefore, cost of sugar price of sugar per kg. Price of sugar per kg equal to 242 and 1/4 divided by 8 and 1/2. It's equal to 4 to the 8 1 9, 4 4 just 16, carry 1, 4 to the 8 1 9 by 4 divided by 8 to just 16 1 17/2, and it's equal to 969 upon 4 into 2/17. 2 to the 4 and 969 divided by 17. 17 5 to 85. 6 minus 5 1, 9 minus 8 1, 9. 17 7 1, 19. That is 57. 17 into 57. That is 57 upon 2. 2 to the 4. 1 7 2 8 the 16 and 1/2 rupees per kg is the rate of the sugar. It's our answer. Right? You understand it? Question number 16. By what number should this be multiplied to get 42? 9 4 by 5 into a number. Its result is 42. Let the number is x. Let the number is x. Number equal to x. So 9 5 is 45, 5 9 is 45, 4 49 upon 5 into x equal to 42. X equal to 42 divided by 49 upon 5. 42 into 5 upon 49. 7 7 is 49, 7 6 is 42, 6 5 is 30 upon 7. 7 4 is 28, 2/7. It is the required number, so it is our answer. Thanks students. Have a nice day.